maximum width. So what we have to find is the sequence. So what they have given is the two strings s and t with a given length n and m, and we have to find this sequence. This sequence is the common subsequence between s and t. Like if we given as is a b b b c and a b c, so this can be the common sequence. And there are another common sequences, like if we make the common sequence will be 1 2 5, this will be, and 1 3 5, this will be the common sequence. But they want something like some maximum width. Okay, what is the width, maximum width? So they define the width to be the difference between the pi plus 1 and pi, the consecutive terms in the sequence which we have taken, that long common sequences, longest common, that one. So it's not the longest, it's the common sequence that should have t, only t. Okay, it should be the t in the s, t in the s. So in the consecutive difference is 1, it's 3, it's 1, sorry, it's 1, sorry, 2, and it's 2. So the maximum of these are the 3. So we have to find this 3. Okay, so how can we do that? So there can be a approach like it will make you wrong, just because if we see in this example a, it will it will it will pass up to the test cases, like five test cases, I guess. Up to 5 test cases it will pass. It's like this a b b b c, a b c. If you find its first occurrence, every if you find every character first occurrence, let's make first occurrence array and last occurrence array, its first occurrence array like this, something of a character. Or you can make a map of character, it's a pair of character comma vector, like you having this a and its first occurrence, don't make this, then first occurrence and last occurrence, then again a character of every character you have first occurrence and last occurrence. Then what you can do, you can, after making this array, occurrence array, you go to this abc. They already given that they have this, okay, abc in this array, in this string, sorry, they given in the question. So what we can do is this, we have 4 choices, like first occurrence of this character minus first occurrence of this character, let's call f1 and f2, fa and fb, let's say. And there are 4 choices, fa minus f, first occurrence of this, first, last, first, last. Okay, so first with this f, first with this last, first occurrence of b, sorry, let's cut this, let's do this, fp minus fa, fb minus fl, fa, sorry, la. These can be the 4 cases, but it will be wrong up to 5 test cases, because there can be chance that this f come to be in this, and we use that f, like this a b, a b b and c. So this first occurrence comes, and it will make the answer wrong, like I have solved. But there can be another approach. Another approach is like that, let's find the, like we have given a b b b c, a b c. We find, let's make a map or any array. We will say we will find this a up to how many times it is occurring continuously. Okay, a, then b b. Let's suppose we have this string, so there is some c c c. Okay, I will find this a first, I will go iterate, no I don't get a, not a, then I get just a. I will place in the any array, like let's call left, so 0 1 2 3 4 something, so I will place 3. Okay, now let's move our pointer to this b, then I will find b, and of left pointer I will also have this point, its pointer up to this, then I will find b. No b, no b, yeah, I got b. So I will place the index, that will be 4 5 6 7. So 7 will be placed here. So I will make this array from left side, and I will make a right array also from, I will similarly I will go from this side, okay, and I will make this array. So I knew about the occurrence that a weighs the occurrence of a weighs the occurrence of b, sorry, a from left side and from right side. So now, and this occurrence, the way I am feeling is that after a, then I will search b. So definitely there will be no collision in this like before, which I was getting, sorry, which I was getting in this f comes in this layer. So this will not be here, it's just the simple code, so we don't have to do anything.
So in this we have made two maps. We can make an array or map, anything. The first occurrence and the last occurrence. Okay. In the first occurrence, I will iterate the loop and will iterate my ith pointer up to which the elements are not matching, and if it is matched, then it is the index which the index at which the both the element in s and t they are same. So I will put that element index, its index, in the f of f occur, that is the first occur, so, or the left occur you can say, and we'll fill the index j and we'll increase the j and I, so that the f occurrence also the index, the next value should in the next, should put in the next index. Similarly for I, and as the same way I have done for the left part, I have done for the right part also. And we know about that after getting a for the first time, then I will next go for the b part, like search for the element b or any element which is in the string t. Then this is similar that they want the maximum value of pi plus 1 minus pi. So I had done this. It's That's it.